natunan sa buang clinic karon aside sa drills. Unsa may pinaka-importante as a player? Mo na maganahan, right ba? Discipline. Bisan pag unsa mo kamaayo mo duwa, kung ang inyong body language, kung inyong attitude, mao gyud na siya tanawon sa mga coach. Na may uban coach na coach. Pero kung coach yun nga tinuod, you always find those players who have really good attitude and the body language. Ito may kuwan sa body language. Like for example, mag-uwi na instruct, huwag maminaw, imong i-pull out, suko. Ay, anong ipagawas ko? You know, if you want to be a great player, if you want to be a better player, and if you want to go up, you have to be coachable. Be respectful. These drills is nothing if you don't have those. Me and Coach Jason, you know why I invite Coach Jason Viles? Because I watch him and he's doing it through his heart, not just because I want to coach and this. That's different. Daghan siya klase ng mga coaches. Coach